Good morning, welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have some mostly cloudy to partly cloudy skies across the area this morning, seeing warm and humid conditions as well. Temperatures already in the upper 70s. We'll see temperatures peaking out today in the mid to upper 80s. We'll see a chance of thunderstorms for later this afternoon into the evening hours. Best chance will be around 8 to 10 o'clock this evening. We'll also see a slight chance of seeing some stronger thunderstorms to severe thunderstorms across the region, with the best chance of seeing any tornadoes will be north and west of our region today, as the Storm Prediction Center has highlighted a 10% chance of tornadoes north and west of our region and a 5% pretty much through the whole mid-Atlantic, with the remnants or tropical depression Ida continuing to move through the mid-Atlantic region today. So looking at our current surface analysis, this was at 6Z last night. So this boundary here across the region has moved a bit farther to the north. Ida has also tracked farther to the north and east here, and continuing to do so today along the Appalachian Mountains. Taking a look at our current observation, a few clouds around 1,800 feet, scattered deck at 20,000 feet, broken deck at 25,000 feet. So majority of the cloudiness is in the upper levels. This morning, seeing a wind out of southwest at 8 knots, temperature 78 degrees, and relative humidity around 93%. So taking a look at our satellite imagery this morning, we currently do have a hole over the region in the cloud cover. So seeing a little bit more sunny skies across the area currently, but we'll see this cloud cover move in from the west today, primarily in the upper levels with that cirrus, as I mentioned. And looking at the radar this morning, you can see the rainfall well north and west of our region. We'll see a convective band of showers and thunderstorms as shown here on the HRRR starting to develop for this afternoon. Here's noon today, 1, 2, and 3 o'clock this afternoon. You can see this area of thunderstorms north and west of our region, as well as to the south and east. And this complex of thunderstorms, the south and east, looks like it should roll through around 4 to 5 o'clock this afternoon. And some of those could be strong to severe. As I mentioned, do have good shear profiles and instability today with the remnants or tropical depression Ida moving through. So that gives us a slight chance of seeing some rotation in these cells moving through the region. Best chance of that will be, north and west of Salisbury today, across Delaware into Maryland and into New Jersey as well. And moving into this evening, you can see by 8 o'clock, I have another line of storms coming through, and this looks like our best chance of seeing lightning in the region, as well as thunderstorms moving through between about 8 and 10 o'clock this evening. So taking a look at a risk chart for today, we'll see a high around 86 to 87 degrees. Should see south winds becoming windy this afternoon and gusting up to 35 to 36 knots. So fairly windy day, and if you do have any loose objects out, make sure you do tie those down or secure those, as winds gusting near 40 miles an hour could move them around a bit. We'll see best chances of precipitation, as I mentioned, between 4 o'clock this afternoon or 1600 local until midnight, and the thunderstorm chances as well. 45% chance after 1700 local until midnight tonight. Winds will be elevated today, as I mentioned, and should see a wind advisory this afternoon. We'll see lower ceilings, possible visibility below a mile with any of those thunderstorms moving through the region. And then we'll see by tomorrow morning, northwesterly flow, much more comfortable conditions tomorrow. Seeing a low tonight of 69 degrees, lower humidity values by tomorrow morning. So going to see a really nice day tomorrow in store. For today's terminal forecast, should see VFR conditions this morning. We do have a little bit of low-level cloud cover, as I mentioned, around 1,800 to 2,000 feet. I shouldn't see a broken deck of that this morning, but could see more ceilings this afternoon with the thunderstorms moving through. If we do have a thunderstorm overhead this afternoon, most likely we'll see a ceiling. 20% chance of thunderstorm after 1,400 local until 1,700 local. As I mentioned, 45% chance of a thunderstorm from 1,700 local to midnight, and a 20% chance until midnight until 2 local on Thursday morning. And our tides are slightly above normal, seeing anywhere from partly to mostly cloudy skies tomorrow morning. And for Thursday, partly to mostly sunny, slightly breezy, and less humid and comfortable. A high of 80 degrees. Thursday night, mostly clear and cooler, low of 59. And for Friday, mostly sunny to partly cloudy and comfortable, high of 70. Green charts across the board, and some really comfortable, much more comfortable conditions, I should say, across the region for Thursday through Friday, with that overnight low below 60 degrees for Friday morning. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. Hope everybody has a great day. We're back at 10 o'clock to look at the next 7 days.